Hello, Peter Newman with you. This week in AHRI Insight we're talking about some really interesting new research from Catherine O'Sullivan and others at CSIRO in Western Australia. What Catherine has researched is how weeds can manipulate their environment to get an advantage over the crop, and in this case the nitrification process. The weeds can actually manipulate in the soil the form of nitrogen in the soil so that it favours them over the crop. So let's have a look at it. Most crop plants, like wheat here in the diagram, prefer nitrogen in the nitrate form. To get to the nitrate form, the bugs in the soil have to convert ammonium. Most of our nitrogen in the soil starts its life as ammonium, whether it be from a fertiliser or from decaying plant material. It's ammonium in the soil. The soil bugs, bacteria and other microbes have to break it down into nitrate. Nitrate is soluble. It's in the soil solution and is easy for the roots to take up. Ammonium can still be taken up by plants, some plants more than others, but it's tightly bound to the soil and it's hard for the roots to get to, so plants in general don't really like their nitrogen in the ammonium form, particularly our crop plants. They prefer it in the nitrate form. Well, what Catherine has found with this research is that some of our weeds, in the study she looked at wild radish, brome grass, ryegrass and wild oats, can actually manipulate this nitrification process. Wild radish being the number one weed that can do this. The weeds release exudates from their roots, which can either inhibit or kill, we're not sure, these soil microbes, keeping the nitrogen in that ammonium form. Now, we don't know for sure, but it's quite possible that the weeds can take up ammonium more readily than the crop, giving them an advantage over the crop. There's other examples of this from other parts of the world. We just don't know for sure for these weeds at the moment. But an amazing process where the weeds are selfish. They manipulate the soil to suit themselves to give them an advantage over the crop. Really interesting piece of research. For more information, take a look at AHRI Insight.